Alright, it is time for our Heggerty lesson. So for the first thing I want you to do is tell me which two words rhyme. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Ready? St, or, store. Sn, or, snore. Sp, ray, spray. Which two rhyme? Good. St, or, sn, or. They both have the or rhyme. Alright? Spy, scarf, sky. Which two rhyme? Good. Sp, I, sk, I. Scarf does not have the same ending. Alright? Next one. Score, small, stall. Sk, or, small, st, all. Good. Small, stall, both end with all. Alright? Start, smart, speak. St, art, smart, sp, eek. Which two rhyme? Good. Start, smart. Both have the art. Last one. Smell, skit, spell. Smell, sk, it, spell. Good. Smell and spell have the L rhyme. Good. This time I want you to tell me what the onset is, if they're the same. Classic, cloudy. Good, they're the same. They both have the same cool beginning. Staircase, stammer. Staircase, stammer. Good, they're the same. Staircase, stammer. Skipping, standard. Skipping, standard. Sk, st. No, they're different. Glossy, plaster. Glossy, plaster. Is my mouth the same when I say those two words? Nope, they're different. Glossy has g-ul, and plaster has p-ul. Good. Last one. Pleasure, plenty. Pleasure, plenty. Good, those are the same. They both have p-ul. Alright, this time we're going to chop up a word, and I want you to squish it together and tell me what the whole word is. Ready? S-k-a-b, scab. S-l-a-p, slap. S-m-I-l, smile. S-n-o, snow. S-p-e-k, speak. State, states. Swan, swan. Steak, steak. Speller, speller. Last one. Swimmer, swimmer. Alright, this time I want you to tell me what the middle sound is. Okay, so we're going to tap them. You tell me what the middle sound is. Blade, slate, flake. Blade, slate, flake. What's my middle sound? A. Good, our long A. Next one. Clock, spot, smock. Ready? Clock, clock, spot, spot, smock, smock. What's that middle sound? Good, ah, or short O. Ready? Next one. Flight, spice, climb. Ready? Flight, flight, ice, spice, climb. Good, our long I. Next three. Sled, step, swept. Ready? Sled, step, our vowel sound in the middle? Eh. Good, our short E. Ready? Club, snug, fluff. Ready? K-l-u-b, club. Snug, snug, f-l-u-f, fluff. What's our vowel sound? Our middle sound. Short U. Good. Ready? Next three. Snack, plan, flag. Snack, p-l-a-n, f-l-a-g. What's our vowel sound? What's that middle sound in all three of those words? Good. Short A that says ah. Last one. Stove, globe, close. Ready? Stove, globe, close. Close. What's our vowel sound? Long O. Great job. All right. This time we're going to say the word, and then we're going to break it apart. Ready? Ski, sk-e. Slip, slip, slip. Smash, smash. Snail, snail. Spell, spell. Stickers, stickers. Stickers. That one had a lot of sounds that we had to break apart. Next one, sweeper. Sweeper. Smoky. Smoky. Stapler. Stapler. Last one, sponge. 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 All right, this time we're going to add a beginning sound. Ready? Say Kate. Add s. Skate. Say lead. Add s. Sled. Say mash. Add s. Smash. Say lippers. Add s. Slippers. Say piter. Add s. Spider. Say team. Add s. Steam. Say wetter. Add s. Sweater. Good. Say sky. Say sky, but don't say s. Kai. Say slide. Say slide, but don't say s. Lied. Say smoke. Say smoke, but don't say s. Moke. Say snake. Say snake, but don't say s. Snake. Say spine. Say spine, but don't say s. Pine. Say stamp. Say stamp, but don't say s. Tamp. Say swish. Say swish, but don't say s. Wish. Say skater. Say skater, but don't say s. Cater. Say slope. Say slope, but don't say s. Lope. Last one. Say sleep. Say sleep, but don't say s. Leap. All right. Say rice. Change r to sl. Slice. Say blade. Change bl to sp. Spade. Say flake. Say flake, but change full to sn. Snake. Say snake. Change sn to sl. I'm sorry, to st. Steak. Say keep. Change k to sl. Sleep. Say feet. Change f to sw. Sweet. Say ride. Change r to sl. Slide. Say blown. Change bl to st. Stone. Say flew. Change full to st. Stew. Last one. Say plain. Change pull to st. Stain. Great job.